Let's select the new ball knob handle from the RCCS 25 handle type drop-down menu, and apply the handle type to the cabinetry modules in this sample cabinetry unit. Next, we'll apply a brass material, which is one of the 6 preset RCCS handle material types, to the newly selected handles. RCCS 25 now has 11 different handle types to choose from. In this next demonstration, you'll see how the new ball knob handle type reacts when insets are activated on each of the cabinetry components. As with all the other available RCCS handle types, the new ball knob handle automatically adjusts its position, inward or outward, as insets are activated or deactivated. Let's enter a value of 5 mm into the RCCS data entry box and activate a narrow framed inset. See how the new ball knob handles automatically adjust when the insets are activated or deactivated on these cabinet doors. All RCCS handle types are referred to as smart handles due to their automated positioning abilities. All RCCS handle types can be set to either top, middle, or bottom positioning by simply selecting one of the 3 location functions and clicking on an RCCS cabinetry module. Once again, the handles will automatically adjust positioning, inward or outward, depending on the design situation. Let's now enter a value of 40 mm into the RCCS data entry box, and increase the ball knob handle diameter. All RCCS handle types are fully parametric, with every possible dimension adjustment and positioning adjustments available to the user. Finally, let's enter a value of 25 mm into the RCCS data entry box, and check out how a smaller sized ball knob handle looks. RCCS is the most comprehensive and user-friendly cabinetry solution available for Revit.